Siyuan Vs Logseq. Let's start with Siyuan. Siyuan is an open source, self-hosted note-taking application that emphasizes structured data management. It offers a block-based editor, end-to-end encryption, and supports both Markdown and WYSIWYG editing. It's designed for users who prefer a more database-oriented approach to note-taking. Now for Logseq, it is an open source local first outliner that focuses on bidirectional linking and daily journaling. It stores notes in plain text, markdown or org mode files, catering to users who value simplicity and flexibility in their knowledge management systems. So now let's talk about their pros and cons. So first, we have C1. It offers structured data management. It offers end-to-end encryptions, which ensures data privacy and security. It also has a cross-platform support available on desktop and mobile platforms, including a web interface. And it has an active development which has regular updates and a responsive development team. Although, for the downside is it requires a learning curve, it has plugin ecosystems, and it has a huge language barrier. Now for Logseq. Logseq offers plain text storage. It also has a bidirectional linking and daily journaling, which also encourage consistent note-taking habits. And it is also extensible, which means it supports plugins and themes for customization. Now for the downside is though, it has performance issues. It has the mobile experience, which has been criticized for being slow and lacking features. And the development concerns some users have reported over slow update cycles. Now, in conclusion, choose CO1 if you prioritize structured data management and require end-to-end encryptions. And then choose or opt for Logseq if you value simplicity, prefer plain text storage, and are looking for a tool that supports daily journaling.